Hello and welcome to the Jap Auto Agent YouTube channel. And before we start to describe and talk about this particular vehicle, I want to point out this vehicle is currently located in Japan. I am based near Macclesfield in Cheshire in the UK. So this, obviously I am not in Japan, and this is a voiceover of a video made of this vehicle so that we can demonstrate the condition, the model, and all the information I can give about it. So we'll make a start, and I'll describe it. This is a 2016 October registered Mitsubishi Delica D5 G Premium, which is actually the top of the range. So this is the highest spec version you can get. But not only that, the previous owner of this vehicle, to my mind, has gone mad buying aftermarket accessories. It is absolutely covered in them, inside and out, and they'll have cost a small fortune. That roof rack, not cheap at all. The rear ladders, it's got the JAOS skid pan at the back and the front. It's got the MKW Mud Flaps, and those are MKW Alloy Wheels with Yokohama all-terrain Geolander Tyers. So this is not cheap, and I also believe that this, looking at this vehicle has been going off-road. This has been done to dress it up so it looks nice in a car park. That's as simple as that. These are JAOS Side steps and also sill protectors. That's what they're intended for. They just look good on the car. It's got a front bar with spotlights on there. So, as I say, and again, there's a JAOS skid panel at the front. It's intended to protect it when you're going off-road. I don't believe this car's done any off-road. It's got a top tint on the windscreen. That's because it's a G Premium model. And that roof rack is very well made. Remote power doors, three remote power doors on the two sliding doors either side, and the rear power gate. It's got a power back door. It's got Alpine TV screen, monitor for the rear passengers, and it's you'll see these are not leather seats. These are Chinese seat covers to protect the seats. The previous owner, has gone to great lengths to protect the interior of this vehicle. As you can see, a walnut effect. It's a plastic, obviously, but it's a walnut effect. Again, this is G Premium. What it's called, Rockford Fosgate stereo system throughout the vehicle. The list of accessories and spec this vehicle's got, I'm no doubt going to miss some of it, I'm sure. But it's got paddle shift on the gearbox, and again these accessories. Now look at this. Watch this. This is a plastic load cover to protect it, and underneath there's an additional mat to protect the carpets, the original carpets underneath, and that runs throughout the vehicle. That mat that's on there. So speakers in the back doors, courtesy lights in the rear. Strapping down points. So basically this vehicle is available for purchase direct from Japan at the trade export price. It's the same price that I would have to pay. As you can see, that load carrier is a proper Delica D5 accessory. It's got the rain trim. Some people call them wind visors. They're not. They're for keeping the rain out when you open the window in wet weather. Again, you'll see this mat now where he lifts it up. So it's plastic on one side, carpet on the other, and it's turned over to protect the original carpet. So this vehicle is in Japan. It can be bought at the trade export price. All the recalls have been completed. We have evidence of that happening. So it's had all its recalls carried out. the spare keys, there you can see. Plenty of cup holders, as always there is in Japanese cars. And so as I say, I provide the opportunity for my customers to buy these cars direct from Japan at the trade export price, the same price I would have to pay if I was to buy the car myself. We can then arrange to ship the vehicle out of Japan to the port of Southampton here in the UK, where it can be IVA tested and then registered at the DVLA. So if anybody's interested in this particular vehicle, just all you need to do is get in contact with me. I've been providing this personal import service for many years. First started in 2004, although I've been importing cars from Japan altogether since 1996. I've been in the car trade since 1977. So as I say, there we go, cameras, side and rear view camera. There's your 2 4-wheel drive and diff lock controls, radio controls, and there's your cruise control. And if you see those little silver wings coming up at the sides, they're your selectors, your paddle selectors, the gearbox. So you wish, but it is fully automatic. This vehicle's got traction controls. It's got all sorts of bells and whistles that were fitted to the vehicle when it was new at the factory. On top of that, this previous owner has, I have to say, he's gone mad with accessories and will have spent thousands of pounds to put this together. And I really wanted to look at it in the car in Japan. So if anybody would like to know more about the service I offer, or if you'd like one of these vehicles in a different colour, this can be achieved. I can either target the cars direct from the auctions where we cherry pick, select, inspect and buy the cars, or, as is this case, buy the car from stock already held in Japan. So click like and subscribe and get in touch soon. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.